Say girl you fine, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time, hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside, got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug, I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this sleek side ponytail. So if you guys want to know how to do this, then just keep watching.
Okay, so first I'm going to start off by taking out these dingy braids. I just washed my hair, so my hair isn't dirty, but you know, they look crazy. I like Felicia. After taking out my braids, I'm going to take a rat tail comb and do a side part. Now I'm trying to like make a curve, and this is because I have a widow's peak, so I'm gonna have to do a little swoop, but that's just what I'm doing right now. So now I'm sectioning off my hair in 2 halves, and I'm going to work on the biggest section first. So this section is going to be the side that I'm swooping. So now I'm taking my water bottle and just dampening my hair, and then I'm going to take my dimming brush and detangle my hair. We need to get as detangled as possible, that way it can be as smooth as possible. After slicking my hair, I'm going to take my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, and I'm just going to use that as a base. Then I'm just using a combination of my rat tail comb, my dimming brush, and then my hard bristle brush just to smooth my hair down and get it as slick as possible and create the swoop. Then I'm going to be using some of my Moray edge wax just to lay my hair down further. Now y'all know I'm taking the notorious, the famous, the legendary Gorilla Snot to sleek down my hair and just to get it to stay. So after I sleek down my hair, I just do the same thing to the other side, and then I put it into a little ponytail. Once I get into the little ponytail, I just simply braid my hair up and tie it off with a rubber band. In this clip here, I'm just slicking my edges, trying to get the swoop, and just trying to have my edges on fleek, basically. Missing someone, with all your missing someone. And you hair that I'm going to be using is Brazilian Deep Wave from Julia Hair. It's very inexpensive and really good quality. It barely sheds. All the hair details will be down in the description box for you guys to check it out. Okay, so because the hair is like folded over, I put the bobby pin where the fold was. I don't know if that makes sense, but I put the bobby pin there, and then I put the bobby pin in my hair going upwards just so that the hair could be secure. Okay, and then afterwards I just wrap the hair around my braid. Sometimes I put a bobby pin in on different sides of the track just to make sure it's secure, but I didn't do that this time because I didn't have time, but it was secure anyways.
Missing someone.
Okay, so after I get to the top of my braid, the part of the track is like separated into two, so I just bobby pinned both of them down, and then I took a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail and wrapped it around my braid so that you couldn't see the track.
And you deserve, and you deserve, and you deserve, and you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone, and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. If you want this deep wave hair, then go check out Julia Hair. All of the hair details will be down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.